Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to find and copy your user ID from Roblox. So for this, what you need to do is go to the browser that you are currently using or that you are currently preferred. Then you have to search for the Roblox from here. Then you have to click on the Roblox option from here. Then it will take a couple of seconds to get loaded. After that, when it get loaded, since my internet speed is not that much good currently, that's why it's taking a bit of much time. You have to click on the right hand side in the settings option from here. As I mean this the profile option from here. Then you have to wait couple of seconds to it get loaded. Since it's my new ID, there are no friends, no followers, and no following. So what you need to do is check this address bar here, and in the address bar you will get this ID. For example, if after the user slash, here you will get the ID 89127186618. Here is the ID, and you can simply copy it and you can just simply paste it to the place that you are currently wanting to paste your user ID. So that is as simple as that, guys. But make sure that you are currently using a browser where you can see this address bar, and make sure that you are currently copying this number only. And also you can take others ID from your friend list. If you click on the friends profile, then you can simply get this ID as I show you. You will just simply check the address bar, and here you will get the ID number of that ID. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.